Hello everyone, this is Jacko from Facade. We are now in our aluminum window machine assembly plant. Today I will show you a mullion machine. Here you can see this is our automatic mullion machine. This machine mainly used for processing mullion profile. For the machine features, firstly you can see this machine adopts 5 cutters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see. Normally, for a normal milling machine, it needs to change the cutter according to the different profile. But for this machine, you don't need to change the cutter. No need to replace the cutter. These 5 cutters can be adjustable according to different profiles. Here you can see there are some hand wheel and display to help you to make adjustment. Also you can see this machine adopts 4 electrical motors. Secondly, I would like to introduce the working table. You can see the working table has a big size. The length is 520 millimeter. So you can see it can process several profiles at one time. Also you can see the pneumatic cylinder. It can make sure the profile clamp well. Thirdly, this machine is an automatic milling machine. You just need to press the button and then the machine will be automatic clamping, moving and processing. The next point is electrical components. You know, the electrical components is an important part of machine. So for this machine, we adopt a Schneider brand and Aluminium brand for spare parts to ensure the machine have a stable operating and long service time. Now let our engineer show you how to operate this machine.
对，2电机驱动。
啊，这4个电机。
对，4个电机，2.2公斤。
啊。
对。
Finally, I would like to give a summary about this machine. The first point is this machine can process several profiles at one time. So if you have high volume production requirements, and then you can adopt this machine. Secondly, this machine no need to change the cutter. The cutter is adjustable, so it can save the cutter cost for you. Okay, that's all about this machine. If you have interest, welcome to inquiry. Thanks for your watching.